Yawn, yawn. She yawned during the long lecture.
Belch, belch. He belched loudly after finishing his meal. Snort, snort. She snorted at the ridiculous suggestion. Mumble, mumble. He mumbled his response, making it hard to hear. Whisper, whisper. They whispered secrets to each other during class. Hum, hum. She hummed a tune while cooking dinner. Moan, moan. He moaned in pain after twisting his ankle. Sigh, sigh. She sighed heavily after finishing her exam. Burp, burp. After drinking soda, he let out a loud burp. Cough, cough. She had to cough to clear her throat before speaking. Sneeze, sneeze. He sneezed loudly during the meeting, causing everyone to look at him.
Snore, snore. His snoring kept everyone awake at the camp. Hiccup, hiccup. She couldn't stop hiccuping after drinking too quickly.
Cry, cry. The baby began to cry when it was hungry.
Laugh, laugh. The children laughed at the clown's antics. Chuckle, chuckle. He chuckled at the funny joke. Wheeze, wheeze. The asthma patient began to wheeze after running. Grunt, grunt. She grunted as she lifted the heavy box. Groan, groan. He let out a groan when he realized he had forgotten his keys.